sikit boleh dekat.
Boleh,
Saya tambah sikit.
please. Hmm.
Saya team maintenance kat refinery. So mungkin saya boleh elaborate betul. Orang yang background mechanical ke, instrument ke, electrical kan, orang dari site maintenance ni, kenapa kita kena tahu proses refinery? First, the main yang akan pakai this knowledge ialah masa troubleshooting. Saya bagi contoh, masa troubleshooting saya punya equipment asyik rosak je. Kenapa asyik rosak? Oh, rupanya dalam ni ada dark particulate, ada proses yang kotor-kotor masuk dalam saya punya unit. And then kita investigate kenapa benda ni, mana datang benda-benda ni kan. So kita hantar ke lab, kita check, oh rupanya datang dari sulfur. So di sulfur kita tengok, oh dekat unit saya ni ada satu proses sulfur removal. And then kita tahu, okay, this sulfur removal dah tahu, oh it's not working well. So dari situ kita just trigger, okay, we need to know, we need to improve the process to whatsoever lah.
Betul.
So that's where you have to know one thing, troubleshooting. Second, the sudut design. You ada problem juga ke, you ada requirement you nak upgrade, you have to know you punya proses. So proses you ada apa? Ada macam saya cakap lah, ada fluid yang heavy, ada fluid yang tak heavy. So kita kena tahu your equipment limitation. Okay, contohnya saya hari ni saya nak blend atau saya nak prepare produk masuk density, viscosity banyak-banyak ni. Are you able to handle this product? So you have to know your punya equipment limitation. So dari situ kita tahu, okay, my compressor ke my pump ni, oh tak boleh, this certain amount je boleh buat. So those kind of situation you akan handle. And then lastly, bila you nak apply kerja overseas ke apa contohnya kan, memang dia orang kata tanya, you mesti ada background refinery ke petrochemical in onshore punya job lah kan. So kenapa dia orang tak ambil orang daripada kilang-kilang biasa, kilang kicap ke apa je. Kerja instrument juga, kerja electrical juga kan. Apa beza dia? So these are the things that you hanya dapat dekat refinery and petrochemical.
So, betul, true. I think if I can add, so in the refinery we are dealing with a lot of products, lots of feed stream punya properties. I mean difference in feed streams, right? Unlike macam a small company, you're also dealing with pumps, right? You're also dealing with compressor, but then the product might you may only have one or two product at most. I can tell you that. But in the refineries, we are dealing with a lots of different stream properties. To give you some brief experience, working in the refinery, refinery operation definitely is not smooth. It's not smooth. So you may expect or you may anticipate that if an occasion that there is a contaminant or a carryover of heavy to the lighter stuff, for instance. So there is a case where this hydrocracking unit, so basically hydrocracking unit also producing wild naphtha, and supposedly this naphtha will be sent to this naphtha hydrotreating units. But then there was an issue with the level transmitter. So what happened? There's a kerosene carry over to naphtha streams. So just imagine, kerosene is heavy, naphtha is light. So what happened when the kerosene is carried over to the naphtha punya streams? So what happened? Coke formations happen. So these are the, I would say, the day-to-day punya troubleshooting stuff that the refiner will have to deal with on daily basis, I would say. So it's not smooth. So definitely, at least having this kind of basic understanding in the refinery operation definitely will help you a lot, especially in doing the troubleshootings, right? And also, okay, maybe I can just share you some apa dia panggil staff punya distribution. So for process engineer, normally for one engineer will have to look after one unit. at least. Or some may have to look after 2 or 3 units at most, depending on the seniority lah, right? So we have 1 unit engineer for ISOM plant, we have 1 unit engineer for CCR or catalytic reformer hydrocracker, and 1 unit engineer. So typically for fresh grads that I noticed, so let's say those are the young or the new engineer is looking after this unit, there's a high chance that they didn't know what these units are. There's a very high chance. I can tell you that. I mean, I'm speaking from my experience. I used to be young engineer as well. I used to look after this unit, rehydrator and catalytic reformer, back then. And I don't have any idea what these units are and what this unit do. And let's say if there's a issues with this unit, I don't know. I just know that, okay, there's a Kero in my feet right now. That's all. So that's why I think it's important for you to at least understand some basics refinery operations. So you can at least you have a brief understanding lah. I mean, what is reformer is, hydrocracker is, FCC or vacuum distillation. So that's why I think those who are not from chemical engineering background, I think I hope you can appreciate this as well, because I'm doing this slide thinking of you guys as well, not those who are from chemical engineering background. That's why the slide is very, I would say, simplified. This is not as detailed as if I want to present to chemical engineering background audience, right? Okay. Sorry?
Remind masa time set, masa dah masuk topik petrochemical pula.
Alamak, tak clear lah, Amin.
Hello, boleh dengar?
Ya, boleh. Okay, not
time
disturbing.
check. Sekarang tengah masuk topik petrochemical, masuk kecederaan.
Oh, masuk kecederaan Okay, tak apa. Okay. Kita ada lagi satu. Okay, tak apa. Okay, kita simpan dulu soalan ni. Alright. Moving to next slide. Okay, we'll touch a bit on supporting plant. So we have Klaus, sulfur plant, and amine treating. There'll be more actually that is not covered in this diagram. We have cogen. Cogen is a cogeneration plant. So basically, it will use natural gas to produce electricity, and this electricity will be distributed within the refinery operations. And we also have flare system. So flare basically is needed to make sure that all the unwanted gases or off gases is being sent to flare. Because what happens if we don't have flare? So all the off gas or unwanted gases will be spread out to the atmosphere. And you know what happens if there's gas in our atmosphere? There'll be a lot of explosions. So that's why we need to dedicate facilities to make sure that all these gases, unwanted gases, will be fired up before we can send it to atmosphere. And we also have waste treatment plant. So waste treatment plant, so definitely in the refinery and petrochemicals, we are generating waste. So we need to treat it before we can send it to, I don't know, to the river or to the sea. So there is a regulation, can't remember, there's a standard A and standard B, I can't remember, but you can Google it later on to further understand what these standards are. So we have to make sure that the waste that we, the effluent from the refinery is meeting the spec based on these two standards, standard A and standard B. And also we last but not least, we have H2 production plant to make sure that the supply is meeting all the demands within the refinery operations. So these are the product streams. We have gasoline, LPG, jet fuel, diesel, and fuel oil.